In this video, gone into Canva and grabbed this bit of video track and added a background noise effect of traffic running it. So this is what it sounds like. So in this video you're going to learn now how to add the soundtrack. Find the video you want, and then once you've loaded that up in Canva, you go down the left hand side to audio. Once you go on audio, go up to filter, select effects. If you're a pro version, leave it on pro. If you're free, tap on free. Type in whatever effect you want to locate. You can test the effect by clicking on the little triangle, drag the effect down, expand the effect. Got these different options on this menu bar. If you tap on the effect, do a right click, and then you can adjust it. Here I'm adding a fade at the beginning and the end. And you can preview it in Canva by going up to top right or tap on the play button. There may be a bit of a latency slowness in the video preview. If you download the track, you may find it plays better. Got all these different options here. You can adjust the volume as well. And then when you're ready, you can just go to share, download. Download it as MP4. Is it more videos at the end regarding Canva? If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.